Hey everybody, this is a public service announcement just to let you guys know that the uploads this evening will be at 10 p.m. right after the live. So hear what? By 8 o'clock, everybody I want to know for jump on and join in on the live zine, because tonight is a special guest, none other than Richie Spice himself, and it gets no better than that. Well, it get better than that, but you know what I mean. So if you want to, you can come and join me at Incognito Vacation Stay. If not, you can join me on my live at 8 o'clock this evening. That's on Xpressionz JA's YouTube channel. So people, remember, public service announcement, just letting you know, the uploads this evening will be right after the live, which is at 10 p.m. So stay tuned and run, come join in our live this evening. Come ask all the questions you want to hear. If you want to hear that melodious voice there, Richie Spice, yeah, come join me. See you later, 8 o'clock.